Hello folks, how are you today? Druidism number 151. Just come look for it. Probably want a cracker. Ah, yeah, that's it. The Parrot. Alright, you looking to manifest those special things with that great intent? That's what a parrot can bring for you. Parrot is a special animal because a parrot shows us the beauty in life and what life is all about. What life is, what living a good life is all about, because it manifests the beauty of that life. If you wish to be out and put out all that negative crap and bull, well, then parrot obviously isn't for you. And if it comes for a dream, it's telling you it's time to drop that crap. Because it's all about beauty, love, manifesting with intent, initializing a dream and letting it go forward, like you can do it, okay? Manifesting is all about love. If you manifest with love, chances are it will come through. If you don't manifest with love, chances are it's going to fall through. All right? Parrot is a special animal in this, in that aspect. It shows us how to mimic, how to copy. It has an intelligence, a great intelligence, and it knows what it's doing. And so too can you. So if parrot comes to you, or if it's your animal totem, there's the beginning of it. There's much more to the parrot, and if you'd like to know more, well, of course, just send me an email. My email address is in the description box, and if you liked my videos, share them, like them, subscribe, comment. Love y'all. You have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.